What's up, guys? It's your boy back at you with another video. You get me? It's the next day, so I don't know if I'm wearing the same hoodie, but that'll be why. Basically, I woke up this morning, got my ass up, threw some scruffs on and went straight to the car boot sale. You get me? Wasn't great today. It's not been great yesterday or today, but the tides come and go. You get me? So I'm not stressing, but I enjoy going to the boot sale anyway. So today, guys, I literally only got 4 items, took 30 quid, only spent 15, so I've still got some change basically left for tomorrow, which is Sunday. So, yeah. And we made some sales yesterday, guys, so the ball's rolling. Now we've done the reset thing, I'm in full-time employment. All the eBay money's just going to build, and it's going to be a madness. I'm going to have so much eBay money to spend by the end of this week, end of the week after, because although I don't make a ton of money on eBay, I make enough, like, if I took a week of my sales and just had that in the bank to begin going boot sales with, to be honest, I can't, unless it's a really good boot sale, I can't spend more than like 30, 40 quid at the boot sale because there's nothing for me to buy. In what I buy and the prices I'm willing to pay, like if I take 40 quid, that's enough. So if there's ever a time where I've got 50, 100 pound in my pocket, I ain't going to be able to spend it all anyway. And if I do, it will be something really good. So basically what I'm saying is my expenditure is very low and my earnings are very high in compared to my expenditure. So if that eBay money is left to linger for a short amount of time, it's going to start to pile. You get me? So that's what I'm excited for. But anyway, guys, today we had a fun day knowing that the future is bright. And we just got a couple items just cherry picked. Now also, guys, I've started collecting things for myself. Let me move my receipts and stuff off this side because I've got like a little collection area here. This is my newborn child. You get me? My newborn child. My soon to be born child. I don't want to show you all up close because actually maybe I could move it up so you can't see the details. There you go. So basically this is my soon to be child, which is, she can stay here on the side with mine. But anyway, I got a collection going here, guys. I got like a vintage Korean 1997 The Mask tin, which I've priced really high on eBay. This Beetleborgs VHS, which isn't getting sold. It's not valuable enough. And some of the stuff that I'm going to be collecting is just valuable to me because of childhood reasons and things. And that's the fun stuff about collecting. With me anyway, the way I collect, it's random items, but they've got to be of my generation and they've got to mean something to me, and it's not always about value. These things will gain value over time whilst I hold them here. So I got this Wally cup, which isn't part of the collection really. I do like Wally, to be honest, but I'm selling that. I'm selling this cup for like 20 quid. This is just some old thing which I got some freebie box, some Tetley's tea thing. But anyway, so my collection's still fresh. That's pretty much all I've collected. Oh, I've got a little collection shelf here as well, guys. Actually, you see up there, there's a Spawn toy up there from childhood and the Batman walkie-talkies. I've got like let me turn the camera on. Like a smuggler, a smuggler, whatever that is with the teeth. Yeah, man, I'm gonna start collecting them. I got my man. Couple Ninja Turtles and a Spawn guy back there. These are the childhood toys, guys. I've had these since I was probably 9 years old. I want to sell them. I had a bunch more when I was a kid, but we got burgled and they all got stole. And I've got these two. I want to keep them, but I want to sell them because, like, the plastic. I've got another one upstairs actually, like a vintage Action Man, but the plastic's like getting brittle, you know, because they've just changing temperature and stuff. So part of me wants to sell these and give them to a real collector because these are like 90s versions, early 2000s versions. I don't know what date this is. I see a little 2001 there, but they're old, you get me? These are really old. So I feel like a collector might appreciate them for the right price. But then this is literally, guys, I haven't let them go is because if I let go of those toys, that's the last piece of my childhood gone. Other than there's a couple more collect, because when I was a kid, it's almost like I was supposed to be a reseller, you know. When I was a kid, I wouldn't unbox stuff, so those toys was Christmas presents as a kid, and I refused to unbox them. I would never, I shit you not, I can't remember a time ever as a kid where I ever opened an Action Man, and I don't know why or how I ended up like that, but I used to have a shelf in my room just full of toys, and I would never open the toys. I think at a young age I realised toys aren't fun to play with, but they're fun to have and stare at. So every Christmas I would ask for the latest one, put it on the shelf, and then we got burgled and all of them gone apart from 3, because those 3 wouldn't fit on the shelf. There was like in my mum's wardrobe in a box, like just being preserved. And they stayed in my mum's loft for years. My mum passed away, and then I got all my stuff back. I got like them 3, and I had something which my mum gave me, a 1997 Michael Jackson, like it was from the actual tour. I don't know what you call it. It's like a picture book. It's quite big. It's like a A3 size photo book, basically mint condition. It's got a bit dogged edges now. Since I got it back, I'm fucking up my collection stuff. When my mum had it, she kept it under a mattress for like 15 years, and it was pristine. Now the edges are dogged, so I'm gonna get it all, like I'm gonna put it all in like plastic wallets and shit, and put it somewhere to keep it all flat and that, because at the minute it's just lingering around the house. But anyway, guys, if I let go of those toys, I've got that one bit of Michael Jackson memorabilia from my childhood left. There's another bit of memorabilia from my childhood. I got a ticket to the final Michael Jackson tour just before he died. I've still got that ticket. They basically said you can get a refund after he passed, or you can have like this special edition ticket sent. And it's just a fucking ticket. It's just a ticket with like a little picture on it, and you move it in the light and it changes. So I've got that, which I'm keeping. So a little bit of Michael Jackson memorabilia. Anyway, if I sell that, I've only got the MJ stuff. And then I just feel like that's my childhood. That is my childhood. Those toys and that Michael Jackson stuff. That's my childhood. That's all I did. Collect toys, listen to Michael Jackson, and do other kid shit, obviously. But so I don't know about that. But part of me wants to let him go for safekeeping. But then, like I say, it's gone then. And I was thinking I can always buy them again in better condition, because as a collector I'd want things in better condition, but it's sentimental, that's the word. So anyway, guys, let me flip the camera around. I'll show you what we got today, and we'll talk about it. So we didn't get a lot, like I said. We'll show you what I got first. I got this for my son because he's obsessed with Siren Head. So I got him this Siren Head teddy. I think he'll appreciate that. I got this for myself. Not because I intend to watch them, but I probably will watch them because I have a few VHS. But this is going to go on here. To be fair, I'm going to move the cup and the mask thing. Yeah? Yes, please. So the dinosaur thing can go there. And this guy can go there. So now we've got 2 films. You get me? I know it looks a bit shit, to be fair. It's just because there's nothing here. As the collection gets bigger, they'll look better. Fucking don't know how to put them. Maybe like this, because it's in that corner. Put them like that. Keep this here for now. Yeah. So Beetleborgs was something I loved as a kid, and this dinosaurs was something I also loved. This cup, fuck it, we'll put the cup here for now. But anyway, guys, we're getting a little collection there, and proud of that, you know what I mean? I have got a few VHS players, so I could watch them, but I'm not bothered about watching them, they're probably shit. But I just like the cover art and the memory. Anyway, to sell, we got these Rocket Dog, like pumps, they're in good condition actually. That's why I don't really sell Garms, but anymore. But I don't know, pound Rocket Dog. I sold some Rocket Dogs decent money once. These could be worthless. We'll fucking find out real soon. And I got this for 50p. If you get the training band of this, it can be worth bare money. Don't know what the discs are worth, but all the discs are in here. The guy said he lost all the band and everything, so this is 50p anyway, if I didn't just say. I keep repeating myself today, I think. So, anyway, we'll hopefully be able to sell that. I think this is a tricky one. You could get in trouble for selling this, I think. But I'll risk it for a biscuit if I can. So we got those 2 to sell. This I got for myself. I'm going to frame it. It's basically just a magazine of some kind, but it's got the Last Action Hero on the front, which would look fucking epic, like up here, you get me? But I'm gonna get it framed, and it's also got the big poster in here. It's got a bit of water damage though, which potentially could be something, so I don't know. Like I say, I'm just getting into collecting a little bit at the minute, guys. Mainly because I want this man crib to look cool as hell, with all my stuff on the walls and that, and hopefully it comes together. But I was trying to put a TV up here, a shelf, this shelf, and because this wall's brick, I just end up doing a load of fucking holes. I was trying to put this telly up, because I got this telly the other day for a £5. I want to be able to watch films in here, so yeah. Anyway guys, last thing I got for myself was this Corona thing. It's 2005. You can see there. It's a Corona metal sign. Also, that's another thing I collect, guys. Was supposed to show you this. I collect signs. You see? So basically, this wall up here is going to be all signs. Let me just fix my camera. I got one sign there, a couple pictures, and I got this big man cave sign up here. My cave, my rules, no sitting in my chair. Keep your hands off the remote. Women by invitation only. Bring food is strongly suggested, or bringing food. Any objections to the rules, please refer to Rule 1. This is my cave and my rules. So I got that was cool. Anyway, this one for here, I'm thinking maybe let me test it to see what it's looking like. So maybe there. I like this Terminator one as well, guys. This isn't even a picture. This is off like a limited edition fan release Terminator 2 DVD, which is upstairs. That DVD might be worth something as well. So I'm thinking of just putting the Corona thing up here, and then it's not complete the thing, but there's a bit more room then. Last little bit more room. So these are things that I've been collecting over time. I've been collecting these signs for like a year now. You don't see them very often, but when I see them, cool ones, vintage, that's me. Oh, I got another sign. This one's my what the fuck? I might stick, to be fair, I might stick these. There's two options with these. The reasons I put this one here is because when I film videos, you guys can see it. But maybe we could put this Corona one here. I don't know. But this is my favourite. It's the favouriteest signs. 1998, Area 51. I know why I put it in here. It's because I need to get like some sort of gentle cleaning solution, because there's just like a grit over that one. And there's a bit of dirt on this one too. Now you have to be careful with what you're using them, because if you're not careful, you could potentially rub the graphic print off. So I've been meaning to buy like some sort of oil cleaner to give it a go. So I might move that one, or I will be moving that one eventually to in there, I think. Now this Stranger Things one here, it's upside down. It's cool, because when you're downstairs and you look up, you can see it. It says upside down. So anyway, guys, let's put this sign down. So showed you guys our little collectibles, what we've got today. So anyway, we got those shoes, we got that T25 thing. Guys, I got myself a pair of shoes for 25 quid. These are for me. I don't know if they have any resale value. I'll have a look. If there's some resale value to them, I'll sell them. But basically I need shoes, because I'll show you guys the ones I've been rocking. I don't have any shoes. My shoes are either sandals, my work boots, which have holes in, or I got these shoes the other day for like 2 quid. No, maybe 3 quid. They're really cheap. These awful things are my shoes. Fucking, and I had them like, what, a month. And like, basically they're peeling off in it. And they look like fucking, like I come out of a mental institution. I saw myself in some CCTV in Tesco the other day. I was looking at my foot bottom and knees. It was a disgrace. So basically, it's been the longest time. If I'm not wearing them, then I have to wear these work boots. But it's been the longest time, you know, since I bought any shoes. I used to collect them like a motherfucker. I used to have like shoes from like here all the way to that wall, like just bare shoes. But I guess in life and becoming a family man, this is what happens. Hey guys, more money I spent on myself. Predators, Alien vs Predator and King Kong to add to the movie collection. Today's just been, the last couple of days just been about me. You guys, I'm getting a bit gassed, you know. Because Like I say, now I'm in full-time employment, so I'm not scared to have a bit of fun. This is my little Douve collection down here, all the classics. Yeah, we got a couple upstairs. Got some Verse. Chloe wants to keep all these Aladdin fucking Disney things, but I'd like to get rid of them. We got a couple VHS down here, which is there anything I can put on my shelf? Is Blade worthy of the shelf? No. These ones ain't worthy of the shelf, but anyway. Oh, Chloe's made me a bacon sandwich. So, I think... The first bacon sandwich in like 5 months. Yeah, guys, let me take a camera. This will be the first piece of bacon I've eaten in, like Chloe just said, 5 months, something like that. Basically, I don't eat pork. Well, that's a stupid thing to say. I do eat pork. I don't eat the pork that was sold in shops. Because I'm not one of them, oh, don't eat pork because it's a dirty animal. What animal's clean, first of all? Pigs are no dirtier than any animal. I get it, pigs eat anything. They eat what you feed them. Feed them shit. Then it's nasty. Feed them the healthy shit. Then it's a healthy pig. Anyway, it's because they pump nitrates and nitrates into the bacon, which causes roughly around 70% of bowel cancers, and I ain't fucking with that. But anyway, I'm about to have some bacon today because I'm real hungry. There was another thing, guys. Oh, that's what I got. This Dyson Hoover for $5. Spares the repairs, the woman said, but you can take the bin off, take it apart. And I'll probably be able to make 30, 35, 40 quid off all the bits. Maybe a bit more, we'll see. I've got to be a bit careful with Dysons because they're piling up now. I've got like some Dyson bins over here. I've got like 2 Dysons downstairs. Because I've got like my death piles. Oh god, because my death pile's spread downstairs, guys. So what did I get today, guys? Rocket Dog shoes for £1. T25 discs for 50p. Dyson Hoover for £5, so that's £6.50. There was one more thing, you know. I'm sure I got 4 things. Got that, got that, got that. The trainers for myself. What did I get? Oh yeah, guys, one more thing for free. Basically, this big bag of like Scare Electric track. It's like vintage stuff and like the big power packs in here and shit and the controllers. I'm just gonna auction it off. Because by itself, individually, not worth too much. But if you put it in lots, Scare Electric, old extras like that, they do alright. And I just get them for. I only pick that stuff up when I get it for free. That's like. That was the old me who used to sell that shit, but the new me don't pay for stuff like that. So basically, guys, I only got 4 items today because the car boot sale was whack. So I just kind of had a look around, build up my collection. If I build up a good collection, like collect these signs and stuff, say my sign wall gets full, then I'll start selling the ones that I'm not interested in anymore. That's how I'm thinking of my collecting. But anyway, guys, the goal for this month, which hasn't started yet, it's the 30th today. The 1st of April, we're going for 5 listings a day. 5 times 10 is 50. 150 listings for the month. 50% of those items must sell, leaving us 75 sales at £15 profit each, which is roughly 1,100 and something profit. That's how much money I want to make this month. That's the goal. That's what we're going for. If you guys want to follow me and see how easy it is to just magic money from the sky, then come with. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys for rolling through. About to go eat my haram, you know what I mean? And other than that, I appreciate y'all. Stay tuned for the room transformation, you know what I mean? I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Actually, it's Sunday, car boot weekend thing, long week off work, Easter, all that, and get me. See you in the next one.